Hi guys, have a good day. Thank you so much. 11,624 views and 119 subscriber. Maraming salamat sa inyo guys sa panahon na ibibigay nyo sa mga videos ko. Guys, sana patawarin nyo ako sa mga sinasabi ko kasi nag-English ako guys kahit minsan mali kasi napilitan lang ako guys kasi sa analytics ko nasa 5 to 20% ang nanood dito sa ating bansa, so sa 80% plus sa labas ng ating bansa na, so kaya napilitan akong nag-English kahit minsan mali. Sana guys, patawarin nyo ako kung ginawa ko ito. God bless po sa inyo. By the way guys, I am cutting or trimming the soft thick grass here in the Philippines. Malambot ito guys. Hindi. Guys, we are using 45cc grass cutter, brush cutter, string trimmer, weed whacker, strimmer, and reaper sniper, and any other names of this machine guys. We will cut the soft grass, thick grass, because this grass guys is about for 40 days only. And also guys, the reason why this grass is not hard is because this will not exposed by the sun, because there's a lot of trees covered by the shadow of the sun. That is why this grass is not very hard, even if this is thick grass, but this is soft grass. Minsan lang namin maranasan ng ganito guys na malambot ang damo kasi kadalasan ang karanasan namin kadalasan napakatigas ang damo dito sa ating bansa guys kasi masyadong mainit ang sa atin. So nandito tayo sa tropical country, so kaya pero sanay na tayo. At isa sa mga dahilan pa guys, ang machine na ginagamit natin 45cc na lang, hindi kagaya ng sa ibang bansa na mayroon silang 48cc at 53cc, pero sa atin wala pa. Pero sana darating yung malaking machine na maabot sa ating bansa para mas mabilis ang trabaho natin at madali nating matapos. Most of the time here in the Philippines, we are experiencing hard grass because here in the Philippines we are in the tropical country, so very hot. But this time this video not so hard, so it's very easy for us to cut or trim the grass. Guys, if you like this video, I hope guys that you will subscribe on my YouTube channel. Sana mag-subscribe kayo guys kung nagustuhan niyo itong video ko. Kalampagin yung kampana para updated kayo sa mga bago kong mga video. Soft grass is very easy to cut or trim, and the grass cutter machine, they can run very strong, so it's not very hard for us. Minsan lang ito guys na maka grass cutter tayo ng malambot. So sa ito guys, hindi kami ang magligpit ng mga damo nito, ang may-ari lang. So binabayaran lang kami kung sa pagtapas lang ng damo or pagputol ng damo. Marami itong mga salita guys, mag-grass cutter, pag-grass cutter ng damo. So ito guys, we will not clean the yard that we trim or cut the grass. Only the owner will clean the area. This is the first time that we will use our second-hand 45cc grass cutter with eater, with whacker, string trimmer, reaper sniper. This machine guys have a lot of names all over the world. Itong makina na ito guys, na napakaraming pangalan nito sa buong mundo, kagaya ng grass cutter, brush cutter, weed whacker, weed eater, string trimmer, strimmer, Whipper Sniper. At marami pang ibang pangalan ito guys. I-search ko ito. Napakarami pala itong pangalan sa buong mundo at iba't ibang pangalan. So itong machine na ginagamit ko sa pagtrabaho natin guys, sa pag putol ng damo, kailangan guys kumpleto tayo sa protection. May goggles tayo at may humid facial, may boots, apron, mask, arm protection, may hat or kalo at may gloves. Dapat sa pagtrabaho natin iingatan natin guys, kasi kung madidisgrasya tayo, napakalaking abala yon at gagastos tayo ng malaki. So dapat nating mag-ingat, at saka hindi lang tayo ang mag-iingat sa ating sarili. Mag-scatter tayo or magputol ng damo, dapat magtingin-tingin tayo kung wala bang ibang tao nakatingin sa atin na malapit, kasi baka matamaan yan ng mga tatalsik na mga maliit na bato. Cutting or trimming the grass, you must wear safety protection for yourself to avoid in case of any accident. You are protected by the safety protection. And also guys, during cutting or trimming the grass, you must look around you if there is any people watching near to you, so that in case of any accident, if there is any debris hit by the string trimmer, you cannot hit by any people behind you, so you must be careful. Taking this video, in this video guys, we don't have any cameraman because my son have online class. That is why we will be the one to shoot the video. Guys, this is what we do. Ito nang natapos namin. Ang may-ari lang ang nagligpit nito. So this is how we do, and the owner will clean this area. So thank you so much guys.